Suspect wanted for a road rage shooting in Hanover County, caught in Montana. Thanks for joining us for 8 News at 11. I'm Deanna Albritton.
I'm Eric Phillips. This shooting happened earlier this month on Mountain Road in Hanover County. 8 News reporter Damon Reynolds joining us live tonight with details. Damon, good evening.
Well, Eric, Hanover County Sheriff say it all happened when another driver cut off Chevrolet on the road, which led to him shooting at the driver. Now, sheriffs do tell me that the driver of this vehicle was not hurt, but that their vehicle did receive some significant damage. And tonight, I spoke with the woman who says that she saw the aftermath of it all.
I'm glad they caught somebody for something. A lot of people don't think that consequences exist.
Ginger Wood can sleep a bit easier now after the man who caused the disturbance not far from where she lives on Overhill Drive in Hanover was caught. When the road rage incident happened a couple weeks ago, she says her phone was blowing up.
And when an outsider comes in and does that, it's like, wow, we are real.
Monday, September 5th, Hanover deputies responded to a call about shots fired on Mountain Road in Overhill Lake Lane. Deputies telling 8 News that 22-year-old Christopher Chevrolet reported that another driver cut him off while driving. That's when they say Chevrolet pulled out a gun and shot at the driver. When authorities arrived on the scene, they found a truck with multiple gunshots in it. The driver was not hurt. Wood says she saw all of the commotion.
I had seen it through my kitchen window because I could see all the lights and stuff.
Chevrolet got away in a 2003 Chevy Silverado. And it wasn't until today when deputies finally tracked down Chevrolet in Custer County, Montana, where he was arrested. Wood has lived in Overhill Drive for 22 years.
Nothing like that happens. Like the first time we ever got a car broken into and somebody stole my purse, actually. That was the first time in like 12 years. Now it's like, pull up to the light, you look at somebody wrong, you might get shot. Everybody needs to make better choices because everybody's having a hard time right now.
Chevrolet is currently in jail in Montana tonight. He's charged with attempted murder, shooting from a vehicle, shooting at an unoccupied vehicle, in possession of a firearm, and vandalism. Live in Chesterfield, Damon Reynolds, 8 News.